Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share the information regarding the TCS Mass Recruitment 2021. Now, this TCS Smart Hiring 2021 is exclusively for full-time graduates from BCA, BSc and BVOC. Now, before we get into the details regarding our channel, now this channel Learning About is especially for job alerts and exam preparation, wherein we present videos on quantitative aptitude, reasoning and general awareness towards preparation of exams like RRB, Staff Selection Commission, UPSC, TNPSC, IBPS. Also, we present videos on the basic concepts of quantitative aptitude and reasoning towards the campus and off-campus placements. So, if you are preparing for any of these exams, please subscribe to our channel. Now, in this video, we're going to see the information regarding this particular drive, the eligibility criteria, dates, and like how to apply, and the test pattern and the process. So, first, TCS Ignite, it is a unique science to software platform from TCS, okay, wherein the candidates who perform well in this exam will be trained on latest and trending technologies by which it will be opening up avenues for full-fledged global IT career for the BSc, BCA candidates. So the eligibility, BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Applications, then BSc in Computer Science, IT, Statistics, Chemistry, Physics, Electronics, Biochemical and Maths. Also BVOC, that is Bachelor of Vocational Education in Computer Science or IT. So this is the academic qualification. And who can apply? The graduates who have finished the earlier said degrees in the year 2019, 2020 or 2021. That is the current final year students can also apply for this. So 2019, 20 and 2021 passed outs can apply for this drive. So important dates, the registration is already open. The last date is 23rd May 2021 and the date of examination is 6th June 2021. It will be an online exam and the interview date it will be announced post the test results. Now this is the link to apply. Now the same link has been given in the description below. If you're eligible, you can click on that. But before that, please go through the video to see how to apply to this exam. So there are two steps here. One is kind of a general registration wherein you register in the next step portal, and the next step is you have to apply for the drive. So that one first registration alone, it is not sufficient. Now, that is just a general registration wherein you will get a registration ID. Okay. Now after getting the registration ID and creating the password, etc., you have to specifically apply for this particular drive. So first, in the next step portal registration, you have to enter the name, date of birth, gender, email ID, mobile number, institute name, that is where you have finished your degree, qualification, year of passing the highest qualification, and the nearest test location. Please remember, the exam doesn't happen only in the big cities. It is also happening in smaller towns throughout the country. And you have to also give the password and then they confirm the password. So this is for the portal registration. So once this is over, you will get a email from the TCS to your email you have given. Then you can apply for the drive, wherein you will be asked to provide your personal detail, academic and work experience details, languages known, achievement, etc. And then you can preview the form and then give a declaration. Now we'll see this one by one. So in the personal details, you'll be asked for your permanent address, present address, and the contact details. In the academic and work experience details, you'll be asked for the highest qualification, then the details regarding your graduation, your 12th standard or the equivalent, the 10th grade marks, etc., and any other qualification if you have got. So you have to fill in whether in CGPA form or percentage form, you have to fill all these details. Then, of course, if you have any work experience, you can also fill the relevant work experience. Then you have to fill the nationality and what are the different languages that you know in terms of reading, writing, and speaking. You have to fill it up. And then if you have what are the achievements you have got, if you have got any scholarships and certifications, etc., you can fill. And finally, you have to upload your photo and your curriculum vitae, that is your biodata. And as far as the photo is concerned, it should not be exceeding 500 KB. It can be in the JPG or JPEG format. Okay. And the resume, it can be in the doc or docx or RTF or text format, and the maximum allowed size is only 500 KB. So your resume or curriculum vitae. Now finally, you can, after you have filled in all the information, you can preview the application, and also you have to give a declaration. And if suppose you have appeared for TCS, any of the TCS recruitment drives earlier, you have to provide all those details, and then finally like go through the application, and then you can give a declaration and submit the form. So regarding the test pattern, it will be a computer-based online test. Total duration is 2 hours, and total number of questions is 80 questions. So you'll have verbal ability 24 questions, 30 minutes, reasoning ability 30 questions, 50 minutes, numerical ability 26 questions, 40 minutes. Now, among this, in our channel, you will find questions relating to reasoning ability and numerical ability. You will find it in our channel. So in reasoning, if you see, it's like typically like all the like coding, decoding, blood relationship, directions. So that kind of questions you can expect. And as far as the numerical ability is concerned, time, speed, distance, time on work, LCM, HCF factors, permutation, combination probability. So such kind of questions you can expect. And for each of the 3 sections, you have the sectional time limit. Okay, so verbal 30 minutes, reasoning 50 minutes, and numerical 40 minutes, and so on. So after you qualify, later you will get an information through mail regarding the interview process. So as far as the interview is concerned, first you have a tech interview where you will get the technical questions related to computers and programming, etc. And also from like your own whatever core BSc that you have studied. And also you may get you'll have a managerial interview where you'll be asked about so why do you want to join TCS? Okay, so what is your goal in life, etc., right? Or why should we hire you? Such kind of questions, like it's managerial. And then in HR, like will you be willing to relocate? That kind of questions. Okay, so it is a 3-step process as far as the interview is concerned. So after this, you'll be so the best performers will be called to join, and the initial pay is somewhere around 2 lakhs per annum, but gradually, like within a year or so, it will increase multi-fold. Okay, so the pay is around 2 lakhs per annum. Now, I hope the information that I've shared in this video is useful to you. Now, if you have any questions regarding this drive, please post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer. And for more videos on job alerts, aptitude, reasoning, and general awareness, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Learning About. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.